What's up guys, Eric from Beat-Sonic. Today we have this really cool looking Toyota Prius. It's a 2024 model. It has a full wide body kit from Cool in Japan. They also have their big wheels and also air suspension. As you can see, the car is on the floor. And this specific trim is the trim with the larger screen, but no JBL. And because of that, the car lacks with some sound performance, and that's where we come into play. We have our Encore Alpha 3 Series amplifier. So what's different about the 3 Series, it has 5 more watts per channel. It also has a subwoofer output. So if you wanna add additional power subwoofer, you definitely can. With this, very easily, because it has the RCA out, it also has the remote wire that you can directly connect to a new power sub. It also has a new connector here to make sure you don't make a mistake. It only connects to one connector. And on top of that, the length has been shortened so that you don't have all these extra wires as well. It just makes installation so much easier. So let's stop the talking. Let's go inside the car and show you how this is installed. All right guys, so now that we are in the vehicle, let's get our installation process started. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove this trim right here that extends all the way to the side. You can use a panel removal tool, pry it out, or you can just also grab it with your fingertips and just pull out slowly to the side, starting from the passenger side. Just clips that's holding it in place. Just go really slow towards the left, and then there it is. And once that is removed, let's remove this big panel here. Very easy, just grab a hold of this over here on the side and pull up. Just clips just holding it in place. And once again, you can use a panel removal tool to assist you, especially on the passenger side here. If you look over here, it exposes these 10mm bolts. You got 1, 2, and we also have another 2 on the driver's side. Let's remove those using a 10mm socket. All right, so once those 4 10mm bolts are out, we're gonna pull the radio out. So grab a really thick blanket. We like to use this moving blanket. Grab a hold of the whole entire assembly, including the outer case, and just pull it towards you. There's a little hook here. Just note that if you're not able to pull it out, just bring it up. And let's bring it out like so. Let's bring our amp out, ENA 3T3 series. Inside here, you'll find the amp, of course. You'll also find the plug-and-play harness. This is the harness that we've been shipping our kit out with before. So basically, on here, it has these 2 connectors that connects to the amplifier, like so. And the other side of the connector goes to the vehicle. And we also have this ring terminal. It's for the negative ground. We got rid of this on the newer harness. So let me show you the newer harness. So here is our newer upgraded harness. And on this harness here, have the identical connectors going into the amplifier, like so. And we also have these other connectors here that goes behind the radio. It does not have the ring terminal. This same harness for the 3 Series will have the remote wire coming out of this as well. This one doesn't have it because it's just a sample. We're going to be installing this today. This customer won't be adding a power subwoofer, so that you don't need it. If you end up getting the newer harness, like the one I'm holding, just note that for the ENA 3T3 series, you will also have this remote wire attached to it. Okay, so with the new harness, the ground wire is integrated into the harness here. As you can see, it's taking the ground wire from the radio. That's the reason why we don't need to ground this separately. And for that reason, it makes installation a little bit more simpler. All right, so going behind the radio, these 2 connectors are the ones that we are going to be working on. Just press here and then just pull it out. And then it's easier if you just remove these 2 connectors up here. Okay, press the release tab and then just wiggle it out like so. And then another update to our connector is this one here only matches to this connector here. It will not match to the incorrect connector because on the previous one, the key mark was more universal, so it fit on both. But this time it only fits to the right ones to ensure that you won't make any mistakes. Okay, let's push it in. All right. And then let's connect the other one in, black one. All right, and on the other side, let's connect our connectors like so. There we go. And the connection is all done on the car side. And let's not forget to connect these 2 factory connectors back on. Let's for the USB. You don't want to lose those functions. And next, all we have to do is connect this connector here. Okay, once that's connected, we just need to add the double-sided tape adhesive under here. And this actually fits right under the radio, like so. We can actually fit this right here. You can also do a little test fit. Yep, and just like here, just push it back. And as you can see, you can see it under the radio. All right, so let me grab my double-sided tape adhesive, apply it there, and reverse order we just did, and that will complete the installation. All right, got my double-sided tape. This also comes with the kit. Let me pull the radio back out. Be very careful not to scratch any of your interior pieces by using this towel or a similar towel. All right. And then when you mount this, you want to make sure it's in the flat spot, right? Okay, this part here raises a little bit. So the most flat spot is going to be more on the back side towards this bar. Yep. All right. Let's push this on. Just make sure you line up all the clips before you push it in to prevent any breakage. There it is. All the holes are lined up. Looks good. In the next step, all we have to do is screw these 4 10mm bolts and put those 2 panels back, and we are done. Good kid. All right, that's it, guys. That easy to improve your sound system on your Toyota Prius. Now, let's see what the owner thinks about the upgrade.
Ooh, okay.
You hear a difference?
Oh, yeah, I actually can. Yeah, actually. Wait, I'm genuinely impressed. I'm genuinely impressed that this is actually a difference. Even at the lower setting, I can hear the bass. So.
Yeah. And this is all plug and play. And so what are the specific differences you hear?
Definitely the bass. Yeah, the mid-range. Sorry to cut you off, but I'm so excited to actually drive this car everywhere because this is the parts car for my Japan Direct, and I'm the one mostly driving this thing.
Oh, now you could enjoy some music on the road.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
We also hear that people say that it sounds more clear. You hear a lot of details in the audio that you couldn't hear before, like the instruments, like the string sound, and even the voices.
Yeah.
So those are some of the other things that you will notice here. It sounds really good.
Yeah, actually the bass is there. That's what's gonna keep me going.
And on top of it, if you want even more bass, you can easily add a power subwoofer to this amplifier. There's a connections that's already built into the amplifier. So you could go to Amazon and get those really like slim profile under the seat subwoofers. You could just put them under your seat, connect it to our amplifier, and get the power from under your seat too. Actually, we have a harness for that too. It's called the EAZ harness. Very easy to install. So yeah, we'll make it very seamless to upgrade your sound system without having to open up all of your doors.
Wow, thank you.
All right, so while we have all of you guys on the video right now, while we have Adriel on the video, he is from My Japan Direct, located in Southern California. If you guys are in the market to upgrade your styling of your car, you want some JDM body kits, they are the one to reach out to. They do go through all the process to make it very easy for you to have that dream body kit that you always wanted, but you can't get in the US because they only have it in Japan. So they go help you out with that. Located in Anaheim, California. So hit them up. We'll leave their information here. You can follow them on Instagram. They have a pretty big following there. And let them know that Beat-Sonic sent you guys. Oh yeah, another thing. If you guys are in the Southern California area or you are traveling over here, just go up to these local shows. You might see this car here. Car goes to a lot of places. Yes. Especially if it's Prius related or Toyota related. Go check them out. Follow them on My Japan Direct Instagram, and they'll also post where they're going to be. All right, guys, well, that concludes our installation demonstration video of our Encore Alpha 3 Series amplifier. As you guys can see, you drop that in your car and it'll make a huge difference with how your car sounds. At the same time, we got some feedback from the driver, and as you can see, he loves it too. And for all of you that are interested, still not ready to purchase, shoot us an email, leave a comment, and we'll be happy to answer all your questions. And for everybody else that's not following us yet, help us hit that subscribe button and also that like. It really helps us out. Thank you very much, and see you guys on the next video.